I'm going to show you how to cut tomatoes for biryani. Let us begin. I've washed the tomatoes clean and then I've kept it ready by wiping it with the tissue. Let us start. Here I've taken one tomato and now this is the dark portion or the pith region. We need to discard this, scoop it off slightly with a sharp knife before you start the cutting. If you just scoop it off, it just comes off like this, and then now we can start the cutting. Keep the tomatoes like this, exactly cut it into two semicircles. Now separate each semicircle and then start chopping it. This is normally in the way in which the tomatoes are chopped. Let us collect it. If you make it too thin, it will get too much cooked in the biryani. This is the second tomato which I've cleaned and kept. I'll show you the second type of cutting also, which is little bigger and square cubes actually. Let us begin with. Now cut the tomato into exact half. Now, as said earlier, just discard the pith portion like this. I think it is easier to remove in this fashion. It is just removed and now we are left with two semicircles. Now just make an incision in the center like this and then we start cutting now. These are I finished both the types. This is the first type of cutting in which you can see the shape. It is like, you can see the shape, it is like this wedge shaped and thinner. And this is the second cube type, squarish and big pieces like this. Thank you.